actually asinyanzelanga manje isilunga andazi ndayo ndistressa kangaka. Izigqibo ezathathwa okanye the decisions that were taken by uThobile wayiqala ukuhlangana noBaba uMseleko nezigqibo and the decisions that are made by uThobile wanamhlanje, do you think they would have been the same?
Yeah, I always say ukuthi ngikholelwa kakhulu predestination. I don't think there's anything empilweni yami eyenzekile ngephutha. I really believe ukuthi noma ngingazama ukubaleka ngiye ngakuphi yayizomfica, because uNkulunkulu make usekile and there's nothing you can do. You can try to run away njengo Jonah, you know, because uNkulunkulu kusekiwe. Ayikho into engicabanga ukuthi ngiyenzile that was a mistake, and I'm grateful for every path engihambe kuyona kujeni yami mhlambe yomshado, I must say, and I can still choose to marry uBaba uMseleko tomorrow if I have to get married again, as far as ukuthi monogamous marriage or polygamous marriage, because it's the only marriage that I know. It's the only setup that I know. I cannot speak about something engingayazi. So ingakho nakusasa ngachoose Themba and one will be like, you'll be crazy, but it's the only setup that I know, unfortunately, and I'm not even longing ukwazi any setup, you know. I'd rather be single. So asikho isigqibo engibone ngathi ngingashintsha. I will do it all over again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mthombeni. Happy birthday to you. Yo, molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa Bay Entertainment, guys. Andazi noba ndizothi uMakhumalo uyavivinywa at this point. Ama-viewers othando nesithembu are watching her each and every move ayenzayo. Basically bona into abafuna ukuyiva, as in yesterday, into ba uhambile wayocela i-divorce papers, waseva uTata uMseleko ngezo divorce papers. Yonke lento, yonke le happiness ayenzayo ku social media, they are totally 100% against it. So namhlanje ekseni, guys, uye waba ne full interview ku True FM. Please go check out the full interview phayana ke ku Facebook apho ebethetha ngesithembu sakhe. The important parts would be that uye wachazela umsasazi into bajonga, I'm not going anywhere. I am here to stay. You understand? The first video clip that I inserted for you guys, that was the tone she was using throughout the interview. Into ba, I am not going anywhere. We understand. And yabuza ke like the viewers of the True FM into ba ithini into yakho usahlalele ntoni kulomtshato onjena Thobile Mseleko. Wachaza wathi into ba everything has its own time. So akukabililo ixesha eli lokuba makasuke adivorce uTata uMseleko. Had so much respect. I'm sure nathi siyambona kuthando nesithembu, even xa ithetha nomyeni wakhe is so respectful towards umyeni wakhe. Uyabonakala uba ngumuntu ongazimiselanga ngokudivorsa, ungumuntu ongazimiselanga ngokumshiya umyeni wakhe, uyamthanda kakhulu. Even akuthando nesithembu, guys, uye wachaza into ba, guys, angindawo ngihleli kulomshado wami. Ya understand? So the second video clip ke endinifakeleyo iya trend, it's going viral. Apho ke uThobile Mseleko bought gifts, very expensive gifts for umyeni wakhe ekungutata uMseleko. Abantu bathi hayibo, siyakhala sisi nation, sisi viewers of uthando nesithembu, uThobile Mseleko is busy. People don't even care to do research on inini ibirthday katata uMseleko, le video yayithathwe nini. They do not care about that. Most of these people ebebe commenter apha, they did not even watch the True FM interview because it was today. Yona benzo understand if izinto bazikhomenta kule video mhlambe bazikhomenta ku True FM interview. Hayi sa bamele ngento basesikhalele kangaka Thobile, wena ubusy ufidana noTata uMseleko umthengela izinto as expensive. We were behind you, we were supporting you. Waze wasiphoxa, hayi bayamgiva. They don't even care to search into ba ibirthday kaTata uMseleko ingo June ke sana, sikubani ngoku sikuMarch. June akakafiki. This video was taken 2 years ago. Okay, and already people are coming for uMakhumalo. So yeah, guys, that is where uTata uMseleko and uMakhumalo stand emtshatweni wabo. uMakhumalo is not willing to divorce and to let go of uTata uMseleko anytime soon, guys. Your thoughts, ndiyacela masike si-engage aneni, and ndizonibona shortly. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Bye.